Engines don't just give up, they warn you. The truth is, most engine problems don't happen overnight. They creep in slowly, throwing off subtle symptoms most drivers either don't recognize or straight up ignore. Sluggish starts? That's not age, that's a signal. Weird sounds or bad fuel economy? Yep, your car is trying to talk to you. And here's the kicker. A lot of these problems have incredibly simple fixes. Cheap fixes. Sometimes, all it takes is a $10 part or 15 minutes of your time to make your engine feel like it's fresh off the lot again. Before we dive into the 7 hidden engine fixes that most drivers never do, but absolutely should, make sure to subscribe, tap the bell so you don't miss out on future maintenance hacks, and share this video with a friend who's always complaining about their car. Let's get into it. Number 1. Start with a proper diagnosis. First things first, guessing won't fix your engine. And while that mysterious check engine light is easy to ignore, it's your best friend when you want to stop issues before they get expensive. So what do you need? An OBD2 scanner. But not just any junky scanner from the dollar bin. Get one that reads live data, resets the check engine lights, supports your make and model. Bonus if it pulls your car's VIN automatically. These days, even Bluetooth ones that sync with your phone work great. Think FIXD, Blue Driver, or Autel. Once you have your scanner, locate your OBD2 port, usually under the dashboard near your knees. Plug it in, turn on the ignition, and scan. Some codes are crystal clear. For example, P0171, System 2 Lean, P0300, Random Cylinder Misfire, P0420, Catalytic Converter Efficiency Low. Others are vague or require a bit of Googling. And yes, older cars sometimes don't throw any codes even when there's an issue. But that scan is your first head start to solving problems the right way. Number 2. Clean the throttle body, seriously. You know how breathing through a straw feels? That's what your engine experiences when the throttle body is caked in carbon. After 70,000 miles or more, especially on city-driven cars, grime builds up and slows the airflow. That butterfly valve inside the throttle body gets sticky, causing hard starts, poor idle, engine surging, reduced fuel efficiency. Here's how to fix it. Gather throttle body cleaner, a rag, gloves, and basic tools. Disconnect the battery, always play it safe. Find the throttle body, it's between your air intake and intake manifold. Loosen and remove the intake hose. Spray the throttle body cleaner generously while manually opening the valve. Use a rag to wipe off the black carbon. Let it dry completely before reassembly. Pro tip: some modern cars have electronic throttle bodies. Be gentle and never force the valve if it's electronically controlled. Just clean what's visible and let it dry. Number 3. Replace the air filter. It's easier than you think. Most people don't remember the last time they changed their air filter, and that's a problem. Dirty air filters mean your engine struggles to breathe, and a suffocating engine is an inefficient one. Symptoms include loss of power, poor acceleration, whistling or sucking sounds, reduced MPG. Changing it is easy. Open the air box, usually just held by clips or screws. Remove the old filter. Hold it up to light. If you can't see light through it, it's done. Insert a new filter and close the box. Cost: around $10 to $25, depending on your vehicle. Benefit: immediate. And since you already have the intake hose off from the throttle body cleaning, this is a 2-for-1 fix. Number 4. Clean the MAF sensor, the secret MVP. The mass airflow MAF sensor is the brain behind your fuel air mix. If it's dirty or faulty, everything else suffers. A contaminated MAF sensor can cause check engine light, rough idling or stalling, jerky acceleration, bad gas mileage. Here's the right way to clean it. Locate the sensor, usually on the intake pipe between the air filter and the throttle body. Unplug it carefully. Remove with the correct screwdriver, often torque screws. Spray with MAF cleaner. Do not use throttle body cleaner here. Let it dry fully, at least 10 minutes. Do not touch the delicate wires inside. They're super sensitive and break easily. Cleaning the MAF once a year can seriously improve your fuel trim and power output. Number 5. Change your engine oil, but do it right. We all know oil changes are important, but doing it correctly is just as crucial. Skip too many changes and you end up with thick sludge that can clog vital oil passages, restrict flow, and cause premature engine death. Here's a smart oil change checklist. Use the right weight and grade, 5W30, 10W40, etc. Use high-quality filters, WX, Bosch, Mobil One, not generic junk. Warm the engine for 5 minutes before draining. Always replace the drain plug washer to prevent leaks. Check levels properly after refill and let it sit for a minute to settle. Bonus tip: consider using synthetic oil for older engines. It resists breakdown, lasts longer, and improves cold starts. Number 6. Clean the fuel system. No wrenches needed. Fuel system issues are sneaky. Dirty injectors and valves can trigger misfires, knock, and sluggish response without warning. You don't need a full teardown. You just need a good fuel system cleaner. Here's how to do it. Buy a bottle of Techron, Seafoam, or Gamut. Pour it into a nearly empty tank. Fill up with high-quality fuel. Top-tier brands like Shell or Chevron are best. Drive gently for the next 50 to 100 miles. The cleaner dissolves carbon from injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. You may notice smoother idle and better acceleration within a day. Repeat this every 3,000 to 5,000 miles for consistent results. Number 7. Swap worn components before they fail. This last step is what separates car owners from car savers. Certain parts wear down over time, and replacing them proactively is way cheaper than fixing damage they cause. Key components to check. Spark plugs. Worn plugs mean weak ignition and poor combustion. Replace every 30,000 to 100,000 miles. Check your manual. Ignition coils, misfires, hard starts. Coil packs could be the issue. Timing belt or chain. If this fails, it could total your engine. Change it per factory schedule. PCV valve. A $10 part that controls crankcase pressure and prevents leaks. Replace every 30-50 miles. Coolant and brake fluid. Yes, fluids wear out too. Flush and refill every 2 to 3 years. Vacuum hoses and intake boots. Cracks equals air leaks equals poor engine performance. Bonus tip: got minor oil leaks? Try at 205 Reseal. It's a professional-grade additive that conditions seals and gaskets. Just pour it in during your oil change, and it could fix slow leaks without opening the engine. Final thoughts. Do all 7 of these hidden fixes and your engine won't just run better, it'll run like new. Smoother, stronger, quieter, and more efficient. You don't need a mechanic's license, just a little patience, a Saturday afternoon, and basic tools. If your car's been running rough, don't assume it's just old. Give it some love, and it'll reward you with years of reliable driving. And hey, if you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out our next video. 13 car maintenance tricks mechanics don't want you to know. It's packed with insider secrets that'll save you time, cash, and headaches. Have you tried any of these fixes? Drop a comment below and let us know what made the biggest difference for your ride. Until next time, keep your engine clean, your tank full, and your hands a little dirty.